The Middle Provo River is that section from Jordanelle Reservoir down to Deer Creek Reservoir. This is a tailwater fishery and provides good habitat for the trout, although the flows can get a little high during the summer months. There are about 4 access points and much public land along this segment of stream. Angler paths make walking along the river easy. Woo! He's a little small, but I'll take him anyways. As the fishing is good and the access is easy, this part of the Provo gets a lot of fishing pressure. It is advisable to walk a ways from the access points to get to less pressured water. Not all of the pressure comes from people. Brown trout are the most common fish present, and they often reach sizes from 14 to 18 inches. Although we certainly didn't catch any of that size on this day. Rainbow trout are also present, and there can be good fishing in the spring when they migrate out of Deer Creek Reservoir.